Okay, next topic, occupational therapy. See, main occupation means like a job or profession. Any, please keep mute. Okay, occupation means like a job or profession. That is a called as occupation. Here, occupational therapy means whoever not have the job and whoever not getting a proper income. That time, who will provide of the occupational therapy, because of why means some people suffering about the jobs and some people are suffering about to the any work. That's why that time they don't have job properly, they don't have income. That time they will immediately they will go up the depression, they will stop up the sometimes psychological problem. That time we can provide up the occupational therapy to the whoever affecting of related occupational problems. Next definition. See, OT abbreviation here, occupational therapy. Occupational therapy is the application of goal-oriented and purposeful activity in the assessment and treatment of individual. Main this occupational therapy, you can provide the oriented goals. How to you can reach up your goals. Like this in this therapy, oriented giving to the individually and you can maintaining of the good purposeful activity. Means some people's no activity doing of the job. That time what you can orientation, you can motivate to the about your goals and you can provide the good activities and you can assessment of the treatment individual. You can assess the particular patient problem and individually you can provide the treatment like a psychological treatment, physical treatment and development disabilities. Means who disability means some people not have the proper capacity. Whoever have less capacity, that time you can start up the occupational therapy. You can development of the capacity. Whoever not have the capacity, you can develop of the that peoples. Automatic their peoples also motivated and they will also getting up the good chance for in the occupational therapy. See, main here definition, just you can orientation occupational therapy, main orientation of the about goals to the whoever affecting of occupational problem. And that time you can assess of the activities and individually what they have the problem, individually you can assess. After you can start of the treatment to the like individually, psychologically, developmentally, you can development of the particular patients. That is a occupational therapy. Main goals of occupational therapy. See, what is main goals means promotion of recovery. Immediately, whenever you providing of the occupational therapy to the patients, that immediately recovery. This is the main goal of the occupational therapy. Immediately, you can promotion of the therapy. They will recovering of the particular problem. And mobilization of total assets of the patient means total patients you can assess, you can observe of the what they have the problem. Total you can observe to the patient. After you can motivate to the patient. You don't think anything, you don't worry, you get the good job, you can do this work. Like this, just you can motivate to the people's automatic they will reacting like a very actively. That is the main goal of the get the motivate to the people's. And prevention of hospitalization means whoever have the occupational problem, that time the people all are in hospital only because of they have the occupational problem. That time immediately this goal therapy goal is a prevention of the hospitalization. Means like a prevent of the occupational problems in the hospital. That is a one more therapy goal. Next to creation of good habits of work and leisure means because of why you provide of the good habit work means the patients have the occupational problem, no job, nothing, anything not have the patients. That's a leisure time when free of the patients. That time you can provide of the good habit of work. You can create, you can nurses or any person therapist also, you can create and provide of the good habit work and leisure time. That time whatever giving work like a paper cutting, flowers preparing, like any dolls preparing, like this giving any work to the patients means they will also learn, they will also get money. Like this also you can create of the good work and provide to the patients. Next, enhance the patient to regain self-confidence. Enhance means improve. Improve of the patient to regain self-confidence. See, example, you don't have self-confidence means, in case example, you writing exam, you will think, I am not get the good marks, I will get fail. Because of your self-confidence, you are also not maintaining of the confidence yourselfly. That who will believe to yours? That's a main self-confidence very important to the in the situation time. That's why we can the therapist improve of the patients again. Regain means you can improve of the your good self confidence. When once self confidence have means automatic you will get of the good job. That's why you can motivate to the you can improve to the patient, get the good self confidence. This is a therapist occupational therapy goals. Next, settings means before occupational therapy how to we can prepare of the arrangement of the related therapy. First of all, OT is a provided to children. This occupational therapy you can provide to the children, adolescents and adults, elderly patients, because of each age peoples have to the some occupational problem. That's why this occupational therapy you can provide to the all age peoples. Main this occupational therapy can provide them psychiatric hospitals. Main in psychiatric hospital why means they don't have the any job. That time what happened? No income. How to they maintaining of the family? How to they will how to they will take care of the about family? This and have some creating problems in the mind. That's why sometimes they will start up the affecting of psychiatric problem. That's why occupational therapy main you can provide into the in hospitals also and nursing homes also. You can give therapy in the nursing homes and rehabilitation centers. Next, special schools and community mental health centers. These places all you can provide of the occupational therapy and halfway homes like urban areas and de-addiction centers. Whoever full addict in the particular places, that people's also you can provide of the good occupational therapy. Because of why means this nursing homes, in nursing homes some people have the psychiatric problem in the related occupational problem in rehab centers area and schools area also. So many have to the income problem, occupational problem. That time they will start up the some psychological reactions. That's immediately this all places you can conduct of the occupational therapy. Next, OT activities, occupational therapist activities. What means here? Assertiveness training. Assertiveness means quality. Quality of training you can provide. Means what quality? Related job and related profession, related whatever. You can relatedly, you can provide and quality training. You can provide up the good quality training to the persons. Example, now we have so many subjects. Then time any teachers, any songs, anybody coming and taking classes means not properly have means that time no need of the teachers. Whoever giving good clarity and understanding way for teaching your classes means that time you need of the particular madams. Like this here, so occupational therapy time you can provide of the good quality of training to the each persons. Next, daily activities living. Main daily activities you can tell to the patients and motivate to the patient. Maintain the daily activities and musical. How to you can sing the song, how to listen songs, how to you can draw the arts like how to draw the pictures and clay work. Clay work. See, clay work means like a dolls. You can prepare of the dolls like a man, woman, like a different dolls also. Like this one work is there. Clay work means like a dolls preparing. That work also it can provide to the good activities to the patients. Next, poetry and drama. You can motivate to the patient. The patient, some people will tell to the poetry. Means in poetry also why they're telling like this means because of that mind where they will relaxation very activity. That's why they will start up the poetry's writing also and they will they will sing like poetries also, they will explain to the others also. Like this also one of the good work in the related occupational. Poetry also very important, and drama. And drama means skits, like any programs in the drama also, that is one of the good activities in the occupational. Like this drama doing means some people doing drama, na, the drama people also they will get up the income. Poetry, whoever telling poetry, they will also get to the good income, and whoever preparing of the does, that people also get to the income. Different occupation having of the each persons. Next, craft work. Craft work means they will cut up the plastic papers or normal papers, they will cut, they will prepare up the flowers, any dolls, anything, so they will prepare up the with papers. Next, woodwork. Woodwork, means preparing up the benches and preparing up the tables and preparing up the doors, windows, like a wooden. That wood only you can make, that wood only preparing like a tables and the benches. That is one of the good occupational work to the woodwork peoples. And weaving. Wait, I will show the picture. Weaving, you see, like a mats, like this is like a plastic wires. Plastic wires using like a preparing of the mats, and sometimes they wearing of the saris also. Observing.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a weaving. This is a weaving. This also one of the good occupational work to the each person. Now whoever preparing weaving, no, that also one of the occupation that self people. So that's why they will also get the more income. Like this, different also have to the activities. These activities you can provide to the each person. That is a weaving. And next to painting. Painting, some people's drawing a painting in walls area and in papers, and different areas they will painting of the painters. So because of that, people's also good painters means they will get to the full income, more income, extra income they will get because of that painting. Once well, painter means that time what happened, they will see of the good picture, they will think of the about what is the main theme in the painting. That also they will, whoever, some people whoever buying that painting, they will also get the good money for the purchasing of the painters. Next, social skills training. You can provide up the society skills, means how to you can mingle the society, how to you can lead up the in society. Like this related society also you can improve, and you can training you to the about the social skills. What's going on society, means in society what happened, this and all also you can provide to the some skills to the patients. Next, industrial works. Industrial works like a factories, means like a cotton factory, silicons factories, table factories, benches factories. Next, trees factories. Different factories is their buildings factories, like that. In that, that also one of the occupation. They will also reach up the good income in the industrial works. Like a you can activities also you can provide to the like a industries works. Next, to saving. I will show it picture. Sieving, see here using of the electrical machine, they will preparing like a cloth, like a rough cloth, like a thin cloth, thick cloth, like a bed sheets, like a mats, different art, different cloths also they will prepare it. You see how like this cloths also like a mission wise, these like a greetings, like a different items they will preparing into the in the missions. That is a sieving. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that sieving also is one of the occupational work. This work also you can motivate into the patients, and in hospital staying means that time this type of works you can give to the patients. And next one, leather work. Leather work means leathers like a rubbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Like shoe, ma'am.
In main, what ma?
Ma'am, like belt, jacket, shoes, bag.
Yeah, jackets like a bike pouch, bike bags, this and all, like in main related bikes also related whatever rubber related to the any like a bags, handbags, slippers, earrings. That a main using of the leathers, because of why leathers means this leathers main supporting giving to the each item, so that item can't damage up immediately. That's why leathers main using like a watches, so bags, so differently using of the each leathers. That is also one of the good work for of like a occupational. They people also will get the good income. Next, ceramics. Last one. Okay, the ceramics like you can prepare the gauze. We can use of the gauze, stones in under the water. You see in a soil like a sand, black color.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That also one of the clay work, using of the sand and preparing of the dolls also. Here also ceramics means they're using of the stones and plastic like a gauze items. These are not using preparing of the like a beauty of ceramics. This like type of total gas only one. This fall down means total damaging and breaking of the, like a cups also preparing like a ceramics, like a stone waste, gas waste using like this work. Like this also one of the occupation work to the particular persons. Like this OT activities having of the these activities having of the each persons, whoever like that have miss, they will get the good income. That is a OT activities. In case whoever not having this type of jobs like a software job, engineering job, teacher, police, doctor, nurse, and different occupations not have means, they will also get to the problem. In case see, you are a nurses, you are a getting of the good job, in your neighbors not getting job means what happened? They will think, they will also go to depression. Means I not have the job properly, then how can I lead up the my life? Like that they will think also, they will start up the like a psychological symptoms. That's why occupation not there have any persons with, they will get the psychological problem. That time we can provide to the occupational therapy. Next, advantages. What is main advantages occupational therapy? This OT helps to build a more healthy and integrated ego. This OT main helping to the growing of the good healthy, more healthy growing to the each person's, like that providing of occupational therapy and integrated ego. Some people have the ego. Ego also ego also creating of the some psychiatric problem. Example, in case one company manager calling to the one candidate, you can come and join in the my company, like that. That time what happened, that candidate have the ego already first time going interview in that company, but that people's not accepting of that person. Again company people's asking to the that person, you come to join in. That time what happened, the person have the ego, that's why he can't joining of the company. That ego also affecting of the sometimes good job also, sometimes not have to the job. The ego also sometimes creating of the problem. That time he can these jobs also reduce of the ego activities. Next, occupational therapy helps to express and deal with the needs and feelings. This occupational therapy main helping to the express and deal. What is means what is your thoughts, what is your ideas? You can express and deal with the patients, deal with the needs. Means what do you want needs. This you dealing this related content, what you needs and what feelings about that one. This under main occupational therapy helpful to the expressing of anything and dealing of the needs and feelings also, total have to the express into the each persons, like that occupational therapy helping. Next, assist in the gratification of basic needs. Assist means observe to the satisfaction. Gratification means satisfaction of the basic needs. Your needs have related to satisfaction. In case you're joining up the GNM, your satisfaction. Daily you writing exam, satisfaction. Like this, whoever providing of the good needs like a work for yours, that time satisfaction are not just you can assess into the therapy time. Next, strengthens ego defenses. How they have the full strength have or any ego have. Means you can observe of the that strength personality or they have the any ego, like that. Okay. In case whoever have the ego, immediately occupational therapy reducing of the preventing of the ego defenses, they will get of the strength body. That the main useful of the advantage this therapy. And reverses psychopathology means whoever have the psychological problem, immediately this therapy reverse means normally this therapy they will get to the normally people like this doing of this therapy. And next facilitates personality development. Facilitates personality development in this occupational therapy, providing of the good facilities and developing of the personality like in whatever job and ego, super ego, this and all reducing and developing of the good personality. Next, last one, this therapy developing of the self-esteem means developing of the self-activities and maintain the good self. This main concept of the maintaining of self-confidence. In case self-confidence not have means you can't do the anything. That's why this therapy maintaining and encouraging of the maintain the self-esteem and good self. That is an advantages. Next one, points to be kept in mind. Some points you can keep to the mind. Occupational therapy peoples, they will explain to the others. You can keep 4 points in your mind. What that points important means, involve patient to select activity. The patients involving and selecting of the one activity. Example, I will conduct of the sports. That time who will run and who will play kabaddi, who will cricket play, who will play volleyball. This and all have the so many games. That time you are coming and selecting of one game and you are giving names. Because of that also one of the activities, students activity. Here also the patients involving and selecting of the activity. They are selecting or not. This and all also you can observe. You can keep to the mind in the patient, mind into the therapist. They're involving or not, they're selecting or not, what activities they're selecting. This and all also you can observe, keep in the mind. Next, activity should utilize patient strength and abilities. This main activities utilizing of the patient strength and abilities. In case no activities means no capacity, no strength. Sometimes these games are any work activities main giving to the utilizing of the patient strength and activities. Next, the activity should be of short duration to foster feelings of accomplishment. Accomplishment something. Once the patient seeing of the any poster, they will get of the within time. Short time will they get the feelings. Example, in case example West Bengal, your West Bengal hero or heroine photo I am showing means yes ma'am, this is this movie. Like that you getting feelings means within time only short duration only your feelings showing and you telling of the this is a movie. Like that you seeing of the poster means that is one of the mind activity like interest activity. Here also you can see you can show something of the posters to the patient. That patient also easily within short duration only they will get the feelings about the poster. Like that activity maintained to the patients. Next, the selected activity should provide new experience for the patient. Whatever patient selecting of the any activity, that related activity they will get to the new experiences. Because of see, I don't know how to do the games means how to play games also I don't know. Once I'm selecting of the one game means I will get the one at least new experience. You know, oh this is game. Okay, like this want to play now. Like this I will get the new experience. Here also, you can the patients will select of the one activity, they will get of the new experiences. Like this therapist peoples, you can create some activities, you can keep in the mind how this patients going on the about activities. Next, last one, nurses role in OT. What is main nurses role in the occupational therapy? Main first one, observer. Observer means that nurses always 24 observing to the patient, how they doing activities, how they have mentality. This and all observing to the patients. Next, teacher. Teacher also very important because of why means you can teach of the about activities. You can play this. You can don't play like this. You playing like this means you can get to the you can reach up the your goal. Like this you can teach to the something to the patients. That is the teacher. And parent means you can give like a psychological support to the parents, and that nurses also you can provide the occupational therapy to the parents and the family members. You can tell to the parents how take care of the patients like And supporter. Main supporter also very important. You can give support to the patient and you can encourage to the patient. You can play, you have good activities, you have self-confidence, you can maintain like this. Just support you can give to the activities time. Next, guide and friend. Nurses, you can give guidance. Guide means like a supporting. You can give supporting like a friendly. You are like a violently giving support means nobody will listen. That's a friendly, you can guide to the patients. And warden. Main warden also very important. That nurses role, that warden working or not, how they're doing work. They're following up the rules and regulation wardens. That also nurses you can observe in the wardens also. This is a main nurses role in OT. Okay. Please you can resign for 10 minutes. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will take attendance. Again, you not reason means I won't give attendance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now 60 members attending. Same in reason class also immediately you can attend 60 members. Today I am satisfaction. For all are joining 60 members at least. Daily you can do like this. Okay, you can resign.